This meeting is being recorded.
Hi everyone. Today we just want to talking about MCP1 recommendation video presentation. And in our group we got mainly Sheng Yaosun and Jing Weizeng.
Thank you for joining today's session. And the ATSB found a number of unreported conditions regarding safety, such as their pilots not receiving ongoing training and development. As we navigate through challenging times in the aviation industry, it's crucial that we focus on reinforcing the foundation of our airline, the safety and efficiency of our operation. Today, I will be discussing a pivotal enhancement to our training programs for pilots and crew members. A step that not only addressed the recent safety concerns but also stretches us toward to a sustainable future.
Recent findings from ATSB have brought to light concerning gaps in our training protocols. Instances from flights, such as one from Sydney to Melbourne, have shown that without consistent and uh, comprehensive training, the safety of our operations can be compromised. It, it is clear that well-trained staff are our first line of defense against safety risk. And this is not about complaints. So we suggest the steps of is development of new training models. These will be grounded in the latest aviation safety standards and uh, travel to address specific areas where our adults have shown deficiencies. And the second step is regular and training session. Uh, this session will ensure that all flying personnel, from pilots to cabin crew, are not only refreshed on core competencies, but are also updated on new protocols and technologies. And this third step is continuous assessment and feedback loops to gather the effective of our training and to force a culture of continuous environments. We will implement regular assessment and feedback for all participation.
In next part, the HR manager will oversee the development and roll out these modules, supported by the chief safety officer to ensure the alignment with industry regulation. The training coordinators will respond for the logistical execution of training seasons across our facilities. And we plan to roll out the new training modules within the next 3 months, starting at our headquarters and extending to our main training facilities.
The costs involved include developing our trainers and updating or the new training equipment. While these are significant investment, they are essential for long-term safety and variable of our airline.
The emplacement, such as extensive program, is not without challenges. We anticipate potential delays in development and possible resistance from staff accosted to other projects. To these risks, we will engage with staff through workshops and feedback sessions, ensuring that they are part of this evolution. Setting clear expectations and the benefit of the changes will also be crucial in overcoming any resistance.
And I'll be talking about the second recommendation, um, using the second principle of tailored scientific management to solve the problem of failing to deliver luggages. There are a few steps, a few tasks to carry out. First, we need to conduct like in-depth research on like the very specific procedures of loading luggages. And then we need to investigate the possible ways to improve the whole procedure. And third, we need to standardize employees' operations, or we can develop new machineries like conveyors or something. If you can see the first picture on the left, it's the aircrew employees checking the passengers' luggages, and then the second step of delivering luggage is to put them in in a cart and load them onto the airplane. And the third plan and the third step is using laborers to carry the luggages from the blue cart onto the plane. There are many ways of innovations. If you can see the picture on the right, the first picture is the containers, like the ones we use on the ships. Instead of like carrying these luggages one by one from the passengers onto the airplane, we use containers to carry them as a whole. And the second picture is a new conveyor invented by Japanese company, and they're using this conveyor so that they reduced the amount of labor needed. These are all the implements of the second principle of Taylor's scientific management. And people that are related in the second principle are managers, investigation groups, and engineers, because engineers and investigation groups, they need to like do this in-depth research and development. And managers are responsible for training the employees and making sure everything goes smooth. Um, the possible cost will be time, because it takes time to do the research, and capitals. Capitals includes research fees, money to purchase the equipment, and training fees to teach the employees how to use the new equipment, like the new conveyors and machines. And there are a few potential problems that we were facing. Okay, first, it's extremely time consuming to do the research, and and also teaching employees how to use them is very time consuming, and it's also very risky, because we are not sure that we can come up with a better idea or strategy to boost the productivity. And it's also very hard to bring change in the industry like the airplanes and delivering luggages.
So thank you.
That's all for today. Thank you all for listening.